Yun ang question. Hypothetical naman ito. So what would you do if I snuck a boy into the house?
Well, if he's a visitor, okay lang.
Kailan hindi okay?
Pagka boyfriend niya.
What would you do if I go to another country without telling you?
Of course, I'll get angry. Hindi marunong magpaalam, hindi marunong. Walang respect.
What would you do if I came home drunk?
Drunk. Of course, I'll get angry too.
Angry again. How would you react if you caught me sneaking out? Kapag nahuli mo siyang tumatakas.
Pag naman ko sa tumataas, di tatali ko siya.
If mabilis daw siya, hindi mo siya nahuli.
Magagalit ako.
Yeah, angry again. What would you do if I told you I was pregnant?
Of course, tanungin ko kung sino yung kabunti sa kanya.
And then, if alam mo na,
Siyempre, gagawin ko responsable yung tao.
okay, so ito mga normal question, hindi na siya hypothetical. What's the hardest thing about being a dad?
The hardest thing is to provide for your family.
Yan. Now daw yung children mo ay malalaki na, they provide for you na daw. What does it feel to have 7 children?
Feels great kasi after all the difficulties and hardships that you and my mom suffered, now you're all grown up now and stable.